Unlock your PC's hidden potential in just 3 clicks. Let's go. Open Control Panel. Go to Power Options. You see here just balanced. Take a look at this. On most modern PCs, Microsoft actually hides the high performance options. You are likely stuck on balance mode. Sure, this saves energy, but it absolutely kills your gaming performance. It throttles your CPU right when you need it most. But don't worry, we are going to fix that right now. Create a power plan. Write your plan name. I will write it Ultimate Gaming Mode. Click Next. Have some settings that you can set it. Click Create. Click Change Plan Settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Select Ultimate Gaming Mode. Now go into the Advanced Settings and find the Processor Power Management. Processor Power Management. Set both the minimum and maximum processor stat to 100%. Click Apply. This forces your CPU to never sleep. It stays at full speed, ready to crush any game you throw at it. Click OK. But wait, there is one more. Let's free the GPU. Open Settings. Go to System. Click Display. Go to Graphic. This option, Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, this reduces latency and boosts your frame rate significantly. Just remember, you must restart your PC after this step for it to work. Turn on this option. I know these settings can be hard to find in the menus, so I have pasted the exact file paths and steps in pinned comment below. Go copy them right now, and if this boosted your FPS, smash that subscribe button for more Windows speed hacks.